The next Bitcoin move might take a lot of traders by surprise. In today's weekly outlook, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and gold. Starting with Bitcoin, without wasting much time, before we get started, always remember that this is not a financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. This is strictly my approach to trading, my style of trading. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can also go to the website so you can get trained on how to trade like this. So without wasting much time, let's get started with Bitcoin. Now, over the weekend, Bitcoin price has been dropping throughout last week. Since today is the first day of the week, has been dropping, and most traders right now are currently bearish or are confused as the direction Bitcoin is going to go. That is why I'm here to break it down for you. Right now, we've quite had some retracement on Bitcoin price action. Now, price has stopped retracing currently, and the region where the price reacted from is the value area high of the entire range, and uptrend anchored VWAP pulled from 65,000. Right now, I'm currently not favoring long or short. I only want to react based on my technical confluences. So going to a lower time frame, we can see, okay, let's go to lower time frame. Now you can see Bitcoin has been in an uptrend for quite some time, this uptrend, and I think the price is due for retracement, and which is what is currently happening now. So right now there are some levels that I'm currently looking out for. Should price keeps breaking down or start going up from here, my thought process and the way I view price, my reaction, my next probability reaction zone. So right now the price currently reacted from the range value area high, rejecting range value area high after taking out the liquidity that we currently have in this region. Taking out that liquidity now. Okay, let me add the. So after taking out that liquidity, price is currently retracing back to the upside. Now my next favorable trade setup, if price gets there, would be this price region of looking at the volume of the previous day. Let's check the volume of this region. Okay, we currently have value area low at 75,637 region, and price is currently at the POC of this local range. And if you refine it a bit further, yeah, very good, you can see that the price is currently reacting from the value area high. So the POC is currently at 75,386 region. So my next long scenario would be this region of this POC region, because it's in confluence with the uptrend anchored VWAP, and also if you pull the Fibonacci retracement from low to high, you can see that it's also in perfect confluence with the golden pocket of the Fibonacci retracement. And also let's see, the daily horizontal support level is also in perfect confluence with this region. So confluences around this POC is one POC, point of control of the range. Then we have daily horizontal support level. We also have the golden pocket of the Fibonacci retracement. So if price gets here, if price does something like this and gets here, I will be interested in picking up a long trade from this region, take it up, and that's that for that. Then that's for the bullish scenario. And also for the bearish scenario, if we pull our fib retracement from this high to this low, we see that the golden pocket of that region is currently sitting at $79.5 to $80,000 region. So if you also pull the volume profile of that range from this high to this region, you see that the fib retracement tool is also in perfect confluence with the value area low of this. It's also in perfect confluence with the value area low of this volume profile. So right now, if we using corrective Elliott wave structure theory, if this is a B should stop at the golden pocket, then we could have a speculative C, which is usually the length of A. So trend line measurements measure the length of A to speculative C. If it stops at if the retracement stops at B for the bearish case scenario, now C target will be at $71,000 region to $70,900 region. So my short entry would be in this region. I would be much interested to place a short trade from this region. Yeah, from this region, and price could potentially go higher like this, react from here, come down. Then if we fail, if case price fails to bounce from here, of course there's a liquidity around here to consider, which would be around 70,300. So the C wave could extend and react from the POC. So this entire region is also an area of interest for me. So all I have to do is pay attention to the bullish sign from price. So as soon as I get bullish signs around here, I'm going to take action. But for now, we take it level by level and wait for reaction and wait till price gets there. So does all this have to happen? No. So that's my bullish and bearish case for Bitcoin. So the bullish scenario, I will be expecting to place a trade from 75,500 region should I get a reaction from price going higher to 80,000 to 79,000 region, then come back lower for that full retracement, and then we could go higher from here, potentially go higher to like 89 to 90k region, to even potentially 100k. But that's that for now. So going to the gold futures price now. So previous weekly outlook, I analyzed gold, and price is yet to get to my area of interest. Reason being that this region of price is my area of interest. I marked it out as key. There is an alert there. Why people are being bullish here, I'm still currently waiting for gold price to get here. Although there are other interesting levels slightly before this region. The reason why I most prefer this region is because it's the daily naked point of control. We have daily horizontal support level there, and the weekly naked point of control in perfect confluence with the golden pocket of the fib retracement, and you can see the uptrend anchor VWAP cruising to the top. So slightly below it is the daily horizontal support level. So this entire region for me, if gold price gets here, I will be interested in taking a long trade from this region. Then yeah, stop loss goes slightly below that region. And where would I target? My target would be this anchored VWAP from this high. So this is where this, and at the end of the day, the trade is about 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is very nice. Then scenario 2, alternate scenario, is breaking it down to lower time frame. Now we have these perfect equal lows here. And what does price like to do to equal lows? Price likes to take out equal lows. So let me mark out the equal lows. I find this equal low very interesting on gold. So should price get here, should price get to this region, I would be expecting something like this. I'll be expecting something like this, then going higher. And so this is my second scenario for gold. I would equally pay attention to what price action is going to show me. I'll wait for price to show its hand, then I can take action, checking confirmation with order flow and so on. So this will be a 1 to 5 risk to reward, same target as always. This is about even 1 to 7 risk to reward. So I would be expecting price to do this. Stop loss should go below, just below that low. So let me be precise with the stops. So that will be the area where this will be the second scenario set up for gold. So first scenario is I'll be interested in long here, long trade here, target here, the downtrend anchored VWAP, stop loss goes below this region, below the uptrend anchored VWAP. So what else do we have on so that's that for gold. That's all I have for gold. I'll be expecting to take a long trade from 4,489 on the CME, on gold futures CME chart. That price is the most accurate for me according to my style of trading. So what else? I will be much interested in analyzing NQ next. All right, very interesting. Let's check it out on a bigger time frame. Let's see what's going on with NQ. So the last time I analyzed NQ, I was interested in placing a long trade from here, and this uptrend anchor VWAP has been cruising up aggressively, and also there are some interesting level at where the current uptrend anchor VWAP is. There is a current interesting level here. Should price get here, we evaluate to see if there is a bullish reaction around this region, if there is a trade worth taking around there. And this is about 1 to 3 risk to reward, about 1 to 4 risk to reward or so. Stop loss should go here. This will be about 1 to 4 risk to reward. Should price gets here and I get some kind of bullish reaction, this is one. So let's work with confluences now and see what's going on around here. Going to lower time frames. As price action develops, we keep having new levels to trade from. So going to lower time frame, we have this area of price to, there is a daily horizontal support level here at 28,294, and also if I pull the volume to from this entire region, this is a region now. This is a range. This region is a range. This is a range. So trying to pull the volume of this range, what do we have? Yeah, see we have the POC of the entire range of that little range there at POCs at 29,291. And also, do we have any other confluences? Let's see. Yeah, so it's also in confluence. The POC of that region is in confluence with the uptrend anchored VWAP. Let me pull it again on the lower time frame to be more precise with the level. Let's see. That's low. Yeah, so this region will be another point of interest for me. Should price get here, I will be interested in picking a long trade from this region, reason being the POC of the range and target the high. This is 1 to as price gets here, I keep evaluating and see. So this is about 1 to 3 risk to reward. So does price need to respect all this level? No, but should price get here, I will pay attention to see if there's going to be a bullish reaction. Then if price fails and break this region to the downside, the next probable area of interest for me would be the value area low, which is also in confluence with the daily horizontal support level. That is the level I have on Nasdaq. So scenario 2 would be the value area low of the range. Stop loss go below that low and that will target the high. So the stock market is currently bullish. So this is our 1 to 4 risk to reward trade. So that's my level for Nasdaq. And that's all I have for now. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. And that's all I have for gold, Bitcoin, and Nasdaq. So do have a wonderful week ahead. Trade responsibly. Don't forget to always use your stop loss. Bye for now.